Kim Kardashian is making me time a priority as rumors about an impending divorce from husband of 6 years Kanye West continue to circulate. The social media star, aspiring lawyer, 40, radiated confidence as she flaunted her flat abs while in bombshell curves in skimpy brown underwear from her brand, Skims. Kim pouted and raked her hands through her caramel-highlighted hair in the mirror snapshot she captioned, "Little bathroom selfie." Proving she could make the simplest thing sexy, the retired reality diva modeled a pair of boyish boxers with a sports bra and slinky jersey robe. And the selfie master knew just how to enhance her already unreal figure, jutting her hip to the side with sass. After her post, Kim took to her Instagram story to give fans a glimpse into her morning. She started with a workout, sharing a snap of her mid-treadmill run and writing, "Sprints this morning. I am so tired but pushing through." Then, Kim fueled up with a nutritious breakfast of chia pudding with bananas and strawberries plus a vegan egg McMuffin and pink-tinted iced drink. It seemed that the star was focusing on self-care as the media continues to report Kim and Kanye are on the brink of breaking up and have been living apart for some time. Kim and Kanye's marriage is beyond repair, a family source told People. Kim is over Kanye's chaos, and at this point, she just wants to focus on the kids and her own life. It's claimed that the couple had no option but to live separately in recent months because things got so downright toxic. Kim and Kanye had no option but to live apart in the end because the communication between them had gotten so downright toxic, a source told Us Weekly. They went into the latter part of 2020 with the very best of intentions and wanted to find a way to get along when they spent time together. But it reached the point where the bickering turned to nasty blow-ups and confrontations, and since neither of them wanted the kids exposed to that type of hostility, they stayed apart. Kanye has been staying at his $14 million ranch in Wyoming while Kim has been staying with the kids in Calabasas, California. The source added that Kanye would come back to Calabasas regularly up until early December to spend time with the kids while trying to play nice with Kim. The insider explained that the duo would be cordial around each other for the sake of the kids, but their interactions were very matter-of-fact about what to do for dinner, their therapy sessions and discussing homeschooling their children. Then last month they had a big fight, the publication claims. Kanye blew up at Kim and she was really upset, the source said. Things between them don't seem to have healed since that. It comes after a separate report on Thursday which claimed there is no bad blood between the duo. He's focusing on his world and she is focusing on her world, the insider said, adding that Kim wants to feel at peace going into this new chapter of her life and is focused on herself and her children. Kim and Kanye, who tied the knot in 2014, share 4 children, daughters North, 7, and Chicago, 2, and sons Saint, 5, and Psalm, 1. Kim wants to feel strong mentally and physically, the source continued, referencing to the KUWTK star's rigorous 6 a.m. workout regimen. They also noted that Kardashian has kept herself very busy by immersing herself in her work, such as her popular shapewear brand Skims and her thriving makeup line KKW Beauty. She has been very busy with her business, which has been a blessing. She's really focusing on the kids and their happiness as well. Kim also has the support of her sisters Kourtney, 41, and Khloe, 36, who has already volunteered to help the reality star tackle single motherhood. All of the sisters are aware of the situation and are very supportive. They all love Kanye like a brother but agree it's best they part ways, a source told the outlet. E! News previously shared Kanye's side of the coin, alleging that the 43-year-old hitmaker loves his extended family and that he and the Kardashian-Jenner clan are super close. but a source close to the situation painted a more distant picture to people as they claimed Kim and Kanye's marriage is beyond repair and that Kim is over Kanye's chaos. At this point, she just wants to focus on the kids and her own life, said the insider, adding that Kim's goal is to create the best life for the kids. She and Kanye are just not on the same page when it comes to their future as a family. And Kim is okay with it. She will do everything she can for the kids to have a great relationship with Kanye. She just doesn't want to be married to him, they concluded. The couple had a tumultuous 2020 that included the rap star's failed run for the United States presidency, which appeared to draw a wedge between him and Kim. During one campaign rally, Kanye tearfully revealed that Kim considered aborting their firstborn daughter North, a disclosure that left Kim furious, per a People source. Kanye also embarked on a series of Twitter tirades, accusing Kim of having tried to get him committed and insinuating that she was unfaithful. Amid the public meltdowns, Kim made a statement referring to her husband's bipolar disorder and pointing out that the family is powerless unless the member is a minor. In August, the couple traveled to the Caribbean with their 4 children in what was widely reported as a make-or-break trip to save the marriage. Although the couple put up a unified front on social media following the Caribbean summit, a source told Page 6 earlier this month that they are done. The insider alleged Kim has enlisted the services of Laura Wasser, the lawyer who also represented Angelina Jolie when she first left Brad Pitt in 2016. Laura also previously represented Kim in her divorce from her second husband Chris Humphries, whom she was infamously married to for just 7